Hey guys, a lot of my very first grilling videos were on that little Weber Jumbo Joe right there. So I've kept saying that I should pull it out of the garage and cook something on it in a video, and it just so happened that the Adrenaline Barbecue Company sent me this metal charcoal basket that fits in there. So today we're gonna try this charcoal basket out and cook a tri-tip in it. Adrenaline Barbecue Company is the same company that makes the Slow and Sear that fits in my 22-inch kettle. But the Slow and Sear is made of stainless steel. This one, I looked on their website, they said it's aluminumized steel, I believe they said, so it's just kind of coated. And this one doesn't have a water reservoir. This is made for the 18-inch Jumbo Joe. I think it'll fit an 18-inch kettle as well, so fits right in there. Let me get some charcoal in there and get it lit, and then we'll cook a tri-tip. I haven't used this little grill in a long time, so I'm kind of out of practice with it. Anyway, I got some lit charcoal in there. I used 40 briquettes. I counted them out, that way I'll kind of have an idea for next time if that's enough or not enough or whatever. Anyway, this is a 3.5 pound beef tri-tip roast. This one was untrimmed, so I trimmed the excess fat off last night and seasoned it on the outside with a little bit of kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Now I have a temp probe for the meat here, so I'll just get that kind of right into the center here, kind of the thick part. And I have a temp probe for my grill. And let's see, am I forgetting anything? I think that's it. So I'm just going to get the lid on there for now and let it start cooking. And I'll just kind of keep an eye on it here. It's been about 20 minutes, so let's see how we're doing here. That vent is about halfway open. The bottom one is most of the way closed. This reads about 300 degrees, that thermometer. This one reads 325, and the internal temperature of the meat is 115 right now. So let's open it up and see how it looks. I think I'm going to turn this over. So let me grab the tongs and a glove here. I'm going to pull the probe out and just flip this over. I don't know if I really need to or not, but I'm going to. Still looks pretty rare, so this has a ways to go yet. Anyway, let me get the lid back on there and let it go a while longer. It's been about 40 minutes, and I'm realizing that my wireless probe right there, that thermometer, is not very accurate. It says 138 degrees, and this one here says 123, 124, about 124, and that one says 138. You can just tell that that is not quite ready yet. So I'm just going to get the lid back on there for a few more minutes, and then maybe I'll put it over the coals and sear it a little bit. This has been on there for about an hour now, so let's check it again here. Now that looks better to me. Let's see what the temperature is now. 135, 142, 141. Might almost be a little overdone now. Oh well, let me put it over the coals just for maybe a minute or so on each side, just to sear it a little bit, and then I'll get it off of there. All right, it looks pretty good. Let's flip it over and do the other side. And we're ready to eat. Looks like the charcoal burned nice and evenly. I let this sit here and rest for a few minutes. Let's cut into it and see how it looks. Well, that looks pretty good to me. Nice and juicy. And looks cooked about right. Nice color to it. Let's try a bite. That's real good. Really good flavor. I really like the way that turned out. I have to walk down to Andy's and get a good loaf of bread. Tri-tip sandwiches for dinner. What do you think, Andy? You want to taste the tri-tip? There you go. Well, that turned out really good. I'll put the link in the description to that little charcoal basket at the Adrenaline Barbecue Company if anybody wants to take a look at it. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time.